I will show you a little bit of block 5 because there's two things that are a little bit different. Well, first of all, we will start working along this side and we have to cross 3 blocks and cross over 2, and I will show you how to do that. And row 1A has all its stitches on the front side, so I will show you that also. And first we will start flipping this over, and well, I said it before, please pay attention to the numbers that are here for the first row of color 2, and I will make a slip knot and put it on my hook. And well, I usually it should have been this yellow color that I used now, but I put it wrongly. I should have used the yellow now, but there is very little contrast with the white, so for this tutorial I will use the blue, so I hope you can see it a little bit better. So, and I already messed up with my colors here, so it doesn't matter which color I use now. So let's have fun. Well, yes, I was going to do this. The instructions say that we have to do 3 back post double crochets along block 2, 5 along block 1 and 5 along block 4. So always pay attention to these numbers. And well, let's start here with our first back post double crochet. That's also a standing stitch, and 1, 2, 3, and then we have come to our marker here that works like a signal, and this time it's on this side of the block, so well, it doesn't matter. But here we have to cross over, so don't work around this. Remember that. Go to that stitch in the corner, so 1, 2, and here you can see very clearly that these stand out a little bit, but as I mentioned before, that will correct itself with the next rows. This is 3, 4, 5, and then we come to the crossover to the next block. So again, here is a marker. This is the warning sign that says skip this and go to the stitch at the next block. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, I've counted now and I know it's correct, but with the really large rows, please recount and check it. And I will put a marker in it here, and then I will show you a little bit of the next row, row 1A, because everything has to be at the front side there. You know, when we started, the first couple of blocks were totally worked at the back. That was with block 2 and 3. So then we worked at the back of the color 2, and in block 4 we alternated back and front, but for this pattern it says front one time, so we have to work here And don't forget, this is the first row in color 1 for this new block, so we have to do the extended stitches. So again, pick up that next post here and through 1, through 2, through 2, and just work along all these white posts. And well, after this you can work the row from row B, 1B, just like normal interwoven crochet. So well, this was the tutorial about making the blocks for this blanket. What I forgot to mention during the introduction is that all these patterns are made of short repeats. So when you start a new row of a block, and then you can learn it very quickly when how many times you have to do back and front. So you can really have a relaxing time crocheting this blanket. It will go super fast because maybe you have seen my pattern from the Hooked and Locked call of 2020, and then you had to count all the way during the row, and you had to sign off on your sheet which stitches you already have done. But with this you just learn it very quickly from the start of the row, and then you go full speed. So it's very fun to do. I would also like to ask you, if you do this call, please share your pictures on the Facebook groups, because I really enjoy seeing your work, especially when you do different colors. I am often very surprised about the beautiful colors in these in the choices that you make. So please share your work, and if you have questions you can also ask them on the group. There are a lot of people there that are very willing to help you. And well, furthermore, I will also make tutorials for the border around the entire piece. I already worked something out, but I first want to finish my own blanket and do the border around that, and then I will make the videos. But the videos will be available at the moment that I release my pattern. And then, well, I would like to ask you, if you have not subscribed yet to my YouTube channel, please click that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed watching the videos, please give them a thumbs up, because that really helps with my rating, and in this way you can really help me. So well, I will see you back in the next video for the border, and I hope you have lots of fun with crocheting this blanket. See you in the next video.